Well, the 2020 GT500 is the first Mustang to finally come with factory hood struts, well, at least a hood strut. The GT350s are still stuck with a prop rod. So today we're going to fix that with help from Redline Tuning. This is Redline Tuning's Quick Lift Plus Hood Strut Kit. Now, this is going to fit your 2015 through 2020 GT350 or 350R. Now, while the kit does resemble the standard S550 kit, because of the front end, the Shelby kit is unique. It comes with the struts, brackets, and even a drill bit for your battery cover. For this installation, we had a 1/4 inch ratchet, 10mm socket, 13mm socket, punch, drill, and safety glasses. We're going to start over here on the passenger side. Now, the driver's side is the same process for the brackets, but there are additional steps on the passenger side, so we have to drill out our battery cover. The first thing we're going to do is remove this nut from our hood hinge. That's carefully, you're going to pop this clip off. And grab the bracket. The bracket's going to go over the factory stud. And then reinstall the factory hardware. And run the hose down through here on the inside. And reinstall the clip. Now we're going to mark the battery cover where we have to drill our hole. Before you do that though, make sure it is seated properly. Make sure all the front clips are in. Make sure all 3 of these screws are there. And then remove this outermost one. Grab the supplied tool, put that back into place. Basically turn it like that. So it follows the factory lines where it goes. And use your center punch to mark the hole. Remove the other 2 screws and remove the battery cover. Now grab the supplied uni bit. Drill out the hole. Now at this point, this is optional. If you plan on taking your battery cover off often for whatever reason, you want to cut a slit straight across here. That'll make it easier to remove. If you're not worried about that, you can skip that step and move on to the next one. Now this bracket is going to go into this hole right here with the ball facing outward. What you're going to do is thread this down basically to the bottom. Make sure it is tight so you don't lose it inside there though. You sort of have to work it into the hole. Then you want to pull it up. There's actually a cutout on the red bracket. We'll hold that tight. Then you can tighten it down. If it's centered properly, once you tighten it, it'll actually center the bracket right where it belongs. Now we're going to reinstall the battery cover. That hole we drilled is going to go over that clip. And reinstall the factory hardware. All right, now we're going to grab your strut. You want the body of the strut to be on the hood side. Clip that on. And lift the hood slightly and connect down here. And repeat the process on the other side. Now, the last step's optional, but in my opinion, the install's not finished until you remove your factory prop rod. And your installation is finished. I know I've said it 100 times by now, but this is how it should have come from the factory. The Redline Tuning hood struts not only hold the hood up better, they give us a lot more room to work under the hood. As far as the installation goes, very simple. Give yourself an hour or so, be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.